So for Grover, Black Friday is basically one of the most important events of the year.
Black Friday is like this torch red shadow that looms over everything.
Black Friday at Grover would be a continuous incident.
It's a very intense period.
Everyone is really coming together, focusing on best performance.
Is when you can find the hottest deals.
And yes, so one team.
So in engineering, we have 137 services that power Grover.
Growth puts together the Black Friday campaign plan across all the channels, and then the marketing team creatively deliver on that.
I sort of make sure that all the effort that the company is taking to prevent fraud and create risk.
It's coming up to cozy season, so I guess maybe something like a projector.
Apple or Samsung, I will decide last minute.
Let's start again.